So guys, welcome to back. After update, audio is not working. So guys, first method, check driver manage from the audio driver. So verify the Realtek audio is listed. Right click to Windows icon, go to device manager. Okay, and then extract audio part output and select the speaker. Okay, right click and update driver. Okay, and then again right click to click properties and then go to and click to roll back. Okay, and then close. Then guys again right click and click to uninstall driver and click on uninstall. Now the speaker and audio drive is not showing here. So then guys click to scan for hardware changes, this icons to click, it will show automatically. Again will scan. Okay, and then again right click to update driver, then close it. Okay, one more sound also. So just right click to uninstall, again uninstall. Okay, then go to again scan for hardware changes, and now you can visible your audio video gamer controller sound driver. Again right click to Windows update driver and close it. Then guys check Windows audio service from services, restart Windows audio services. So click to start, type services.msc, right click to run as administrator. Select and press W, come to Windows series and find out Windows audio. Okay, just double click, select the automatic, apply. Okay, and then again click to restart. Okay, click to restart, then close. Next step, run Windows troubleshoot from the audio. Okay, click to start, go to setting. So guys, if it is not show the setting icon, so you can type setting manual. Okay, like this setting, then go to system, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, some find out audio, run, click on this run. Okay, click to run. Okay, then next. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, Then last, hi guys, created a restore point or automatically created a restore point. How to restore? So click to start and type restore, create restore point, create restore point. To click, you can type point, otherwise you create restore. So what is, then click to system restore, then next select this date, and you can check here to show all auto and manual. This is type, okay. Then next and finish, and this is asking for the restart, and then click it.